Alrighty, another really cool feature of the Dolphin is the find bidding. So we'll use Toyota again as an example. We'll go to Toyota. We'll go down, we'll find the Toy 43R, Toy 43, and click OK. So in this case, if you've used a tool similar to the Lishy pick to pick the lock, but you haven't been successful in getting all of the biddings, what you can do is put in most of the biddings, and you've got to have at least 2 as a question mark or 1 as a question mark. And what that'll give you, and let's say this one we weren't sure what that one was. Alrighty, and then you go find bidding. There we go, it'll give you that option. So there's only 1 key in there with that option, and that can automatically find it for you, and that is based off the key code, so that is generally pretty accurate, and we can cut a key based off that. So in here, if there were more options with that specific bidding missing, it will give you that up in this option. Alrighty guys, that's all I got for you today, and thanks for watching.